Hello students, today we are going to study new topic, that is change the voice. Let me explain you what is the meaning of voice. Voice is the form a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. There are two types of voice. The one is active and the next is passive. What is active voice? Active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. There are some examples I have quoted which helps you to know more about active voice. For example, the dog jumped on to the boy. Here the dog is the subject and is doing the jumping, that is verb. Another example, Christy will give a book report to the class. Here Christy stands as a subject, is doing the giving, that is verb. Now what is passive voice? In a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop. That means the subject becomes the passive recipient of the action because the subject is being acted upon, that means or is passive. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. Let me quote some example. The boy was jumped on by the dog. Again, the here boy stands as subject, was being jumped on, verb. Second example, a book report will be given by Christy to the class. The subject here is report and will be given, verb. Another example, my paper was eaten by the computer. Here paper stands as a subject, was being eaten, verb. The passive voice requires a double verb and will always consist of a form of the verb to be and the past participle, that is en, ed or t form of another verb. Now example, John baked the bread. Here bread stands as a subject. The bread was baked by John. I have used here was baked because baked it is in past tense. So the bread was baked by John. Was is a form of the verb be, that is be. Another example, the cookies were eaten by the children. Now this sentence is in past tense. Now I will change the same sentence into active. I read the example, that is it was in passive voice. Now the same sentence I will convert into active. The cookies were eaten by the children. It is in passive, that is active is the children ate the cookies. Were eaten, it is in past tense, so I have used the word here ate. One more example. The tunnels are dug by the gophers. Now it is in passive. I convert the same sentence into active. That is the gophers dug the tunnels. Dear students, for your kind information, I have given some examples which is converted active into passive. Please go through it. It is in different tenses. In case of voices, tenses will not change. Please keep it in your mind. Tenses will not change. If it is in present tense, it remains in present tense only. Only thing we are making use of V3, that is the past participle of the verb. Kindly note down all this example. Now for the practice, some more examples are given. The questions are given. Here there is no answer. Follow the rules and you can solve these examples in your. If there is any doubt, then you can write in the description box so that I can help you, and More about this we can study in the school. Nice day.